The Rat and the Squirrel, a story of sharing and selfishness. Once there lived a kind rat who owned a grocery shop near a big tree. A squirrel lived on that tree. One day, the rat called out, "Hey squirrel, come visit my shop. Eat whatever you like." The squirrel climbed down happily. The rat gave him nuts, grains, fruits, and even some dry fruits. The squirrel mushed everything with joy. "Thank you, friend," said the squirrel. "Next week, come to my home. I'll treat you too." The next week, the rat went to the squirrel's tree, but the squirrel offered nothing. "I'm feeling hungry," said the rat politely. "Oh, I'm sorry," said the squirrel, scratching his head. "I'm running low. Haven't found enough food today." The rat sadly returned home with an empty stomach. Moral of the story: be kind, but don't expect everyone to be the same. Some people only take but don't give. Thank you. Please like, subscribe, and get notified.